Today we take you on a tour of a woods courtyard view room at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa at the Disneyland Resort. Let's check it out. Alrighty, when we first walk into the room here, what you are going to see is the first thing we come to on our left is the bathroom. It's one of my favorite bathrooms. Look at that lighting. It is so bright, and it's that surround lighting. And of course you have a shower cap and facial soap and body lotion because you need those things. Great storage underneath. A nice laundry basket there. Look, little Mickey shape in that cutout. Oh, you come into here and look at this shower. These lights are all buttons, by the way. That shower is beautiful. It's a rainfall shower with the individual package things, but you have the rainfall shower, you have a normal shower head. That is gorgeous with the little Chippendale, and of course, check this guy out right here. Some hidden Mickeys there in the wallpaper. And here's a door here that separates the sink and the kimono shower that opens and closes. So that's super nice. Here you have a closet, and this closet has mirrors on it so you can check yourself out. And it has just normal closet space. Also right here, I love this. That's a lot of great space by the entryway, if you want to use that. Along with these little racks that are you know, very California-y, which is great. Right here you have a drawer with all your coffee, which is great. Look at that, hot chocolate, that's awesome. And your Keurig and ice bucket and all that. And then right here, you do have a little refrigerator, which is not super huge. When we enter right here, you can of course see the two beds right there. These are two queen, once again with a woods courtyard view. When you swing over here, you do have a little counter, which is great, and a mirror. This is the arts and crafts style. You even have a TV right here, and then you do have drawers here for clothing. Those are actually pretty deep, which are great. You have tons of USB ports and plugs right here, and it looks like you can do lots of different things there. My favorite thing about these rooms is the backsplash. Look at that Chippendale Orange Grove, reminiscent of what this was before Walt made it a theme park. And then you have a sofa here that can fold out and become, if I can get it, a extra little, oh my, day bed. And it has a little Bambi. Something I love about this room is the lighting that goes around the top half. It has a nice warm glow to the room, which is really great. And you don't see that in every hotel room. I love the artwork right here, that is right here. And then of course you do have a balcony. And out on this balcony, if I can get it to open, we do have a woods view. And I might wait until tomorrow to really show you guys this view. But we can walk out here. We do have a little balcony, and I believe the monorail will run right through here, which is awesome. Here we are in the morning time, and you can see this view a little bit better. As you can see, you have the monorail track running right here. And of course the grand lobby is off in the distance, but really nice and very peaceful. I really like it. And every once in a while, the monorail runs through. This is so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is truly my favorite Disney resort of all time. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button, that subscribe button, that means so much to me. Also, if you want help booking this room, send me an email at ben@keystodreamtravel.com. I'll put that in the description below. I would love to help you book your stay at the Grand Californian. We'll see you next time.